Gurudev, you have said you can be content and still be in the quest of the highest. I still have a hard time understanding this concept. If we are content from within, how or why would we have the quest to reach the highest?
Yes, it is easy to just have a quest, and it is easy to just feel, oh, I have everything and be content. It is like you can be innocent and be foolish, and intelligent and be crooked. Normally, if you are intelligent, you seem to be very crooked. And if you are innocent, you are already always equated to be some sort of dull, foolish person. Now, this combination is not what is the sign of evolution. This is normal, natural. The real achievement in life is maintaining innocence at the same time being intelligent. Yeah? What good is that intelligence if it is so crooked? And what good is that innocence which is ignorant? So you need intelligence and innocence together. That is enlightenment. That is the human evolution. That is blossoming of human personality. Right? In the same way, you have all the passion, yes, you are totally dispassionate. That is the combination that is worth achieving in life. You have a vision to do something good for the society, yet you are totally centered and content within. If you are not content, you are frustrated, and in a frustrated state of mind, you have vision to do something, it's not going to work. Right? How can a frustrated person bring happiness to someone else? Tell me. If you are frustrated, will you be able to bring joy or happiness to others? So you need to be centered and happy. And when you are happy, if you say, I am happy, I am content, I don't want to do anything to anybody, I tell you, this doesn't work that way. You don't say, I am so happy, please don't disturb me, let me be in my room. The nature of happiness is that you want to spread to everybody. You want to share it with everybody. You want to make everyone happy around you. Isn't it? It's the nature of happiness. Only when you are upset, then you say, please don't disturb me, I don't want to talk to anybody now. Leave me by myself. Right? Because you want to process all that frustration within you, negativity within you.